Okay, here is a comparison just to show you having a human assistant, which there's things that we cannot replace, obviously, with the human interaction compared to the AI custom reply chat. So let's look at some of the examples at the bottom here. So an average cost is around $20,000 a year for a part-time assistant. Okay, if you have a customer service agent, office administrator, they can handle obviously complex tasks. They can build relationships. So that's one of the advantages. So $20,000 a year is an average cost for a part-time worker. They answer phone calls. They can provide information from the company, basic tasks. Okay. So look at the comparison down below. So AI chatbot and custom reply, which would reply to your website information. Chat on the website also reply to missed phone calls if you're on hold, stuff like that. Can also respond to messages on social media as well. So 24/7 multitasking is not a problem. Obviously, never sleeps, never eats, and it can respond with your website data through your website, through SMS, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram. Okay, which they're actually expanding that even more. It's consistent custom responses over and over. So the information is going to be consistent. It's not going to be like, ooh, I made a mistake. It's going to be the same information over and over. So there is a scalability. So you can scale with automation. So it can handle, thousands and thousands of questions at the same time. Multiple users can log on and ask questions, and which is awesome. So you get instant response, integration with multiple platforms, the personality detection, which is great. So it can determine the type of personality that they're dealing with after the first couple of questions, and it can answer appropriately. It can handle complex questions. That's the really interesting part with the AI. Artificial intelligence can actually take information and then answer back in a really, really, really intelligent way. Learns over time. What that means is basically if you're adding more data into your website, it'll automatically update the chatbot with that new data. Let's see what else. Oh, the cost is less, actually way less than half of an employee. So the first setup charge for a chatbot is way less than the cost of a person at your office there. So if you're looking for an after hours support, if you're looking for a, during your company hours, if you're, tired of missing phone calls, you're tired of answering the same questions over and over and over. If you need this value, which we want to bring value, that's our number one focus, is bringing value, solving problems, and making this a really, really, really valuable investment into your company. So that is the number one goal, is to be able to show the value from the very, very beginning. So the average cost, depending upon what features you want. And then the following year is a 40% discount because the setup fee is not required. So every year, the cost to maintain a AI custom chatbot and integration and to have automation, like full actual automation like this, is pretty substantial. And also we also have a service that can make human-like AI phone calls with your company data like a script, and it's amazing as well. So these are all available features, and you can set up a time. You can email me. You can go to ben@aicustomreply.com. Website is aicustomreply.com as well. So check us out. We'd love to be able to sit down and go over it with you. And most of our interaction is going to be through virtual, just like this. So it'll be a virtual appointment, and we can do a Zoom call. We can do an audio call, whatever you feel comfortable with. And we can go over some pricing and see how we can help you out. Have a great day. Thanks.